Hidden far beneath the restless waves of the Pacific Ocean lies a world few can imagine. A dark, silent realm where pressure could crush steel and sunlight never reaches. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our planet's oceans. To put its scale into perspective, if Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, were turned upside down and placed inside it, the mountain's peak would still be submerged beneath the waves. Yet, despite these harsh and alien conditions, life thrives here. Strange, otherworldly creatures have adapted to survive under unimaginable pressure, where temperatures hover just above freezing and light has never touched. For decades, only a handful of brave explorers have dared to journey into this abyss, revealing secrets that continue to astonish scientists around the world. And stretching about 2,550 kilometers, or 1,580 miles in length and shaped like a crescent scar in the Earth's crust. The Mariana Trench lies to the east of the Mariana Islands in the western Pacific Ocean. The pressure here is beyond comprehension. Around 15,750 pounds per square inch, more than 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's an environment that defies human survival, yet it hosts ecosystems that redefine what life can endure. Even in near-freezing temperatures, microorganisms, amphipods, and ghostly fish inhabit these depths. They have evolved in complete darkness, relying on unique biological mechanisms that challenge our understanding of adaptation. The Mariana Trench owes its existence to a geological phenomenon known as subduction, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another. In this case, the mighty Pacific Plate dives beneath the smaller Mariana Plate, creating a scar so deep that it reaches the planet's Hadal zone, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. The trench first caught scientific attention during the 1870s Challenger expedition, which marked the dawn of deep-sea exploration. Since then, it has remained one of the most mysterious and scientifically valuable locations on Earth. At its deepest point, or known as Challenger Deep, the trench plunges over 36,000 feet or nearly 11 kilometers below sea level. To compare, the average ocean depth is around 12,000 feet. The Hadal zone, which lies beyond 20,000 feet, is a vast, silent empire of trenches and valleys that are as dramatic as the mountains on land, only inverted and hidden under tons of water. In this pitch-black world, life takes unimaginable forms. The snailfish, one of the most iconic inhabitants, thrives nearly 27,000 feet below the surface. Its jelly-like body and cartilage skeleton help it withstand pressures that would crush most living beings. Another resident, the cusk eel, has been spotted even deeper, at over 27,000 feet. Despite its name, it's not an eel at all, but a fish related to tuna and seahorses. The amphipods, tiny crustaceans resembling translucent fleas, are among the trench's most common creatures. One rare species, Alicella gigantea, can grow up to 13 inches long, a giant by deep-sea standards, and in 2024, scientists aboard the Chinese submersible Fenduje, which means striver, made 23 dives into the trench, uncovering thousands of previously unknown worms and mollusks, forming what may be the deepest biological community ever recorded, between 8,200 and 31,000 feet deep. The abyss still holds secrets. The Mariana Trench remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth, a frontier where science meets the unknown. Each expedition uncovers new life forms, new geological insights, and new reminders of how connected we are to this fragile planet. As technology advances, humanity continues to peer deeper into the abyss, not only to explore but also to understand our responsibility toward the vast, living ocean that covers most of our world.